name is Amias. I'm from Amias Bots. Today we're going to test the Roomba Ice Down plus self-emptying bin docking station to see how the base can empty the snacks that we put. We have some crunched up and full stuff. We'll put it in that robot vacuum and the name is Chewy. So let's see. Here are the snacks. Perfect snacks. Come on. Let's go over here. Come on. Okay. So let's see here. I'll show you how to take out the dust. Hit this certain button here and pull. And hit this button to open this up. And here, let's see. Some snacks. We'll pour them right in. And close the lid. And we'll just send it home manually, okay? Let's move the cart out. And we'll just put it in the thing, close it up, and hit the stop button because it's near the dock. It would be easier for that thing. See? It just did immaculate, so it should be easy. It's going to empty the... Why is it not emptying the bin? Maybe it's doing it now. So, let's see. I guess you'll have to hit the dock if you want to do it by the manual. Let's see then. And let's look. It looks a bit, sorta. Let's see if it can empty in one more. Do you want to see that? Let's see. This time we'll just hit a button. Let's see if it'll do it again. Oh, you might have to find the dock. See? I hope they'll find it. When that thing was sleeping, when that thing emptied, it's super quiet from downstairs. Let's bring it back out and see how this thing Chewy did. Whoa. Okay. Pretty good. Let me open it so you can get a better look. Look, pretty good. Not bad. Got everything. So let me show you how the thing works. The soggy bin, this thing will open up and everything will just suck up like and go in this little portion and go in the bag. Let me show you what the bag looks like. Hang on. Let me first reinstall dustbin, then I can just, hang on, reinsert the dustbin. I'll tell you what insert means. Insert means put it back in. I just need you guys to know. Like, let me show you what the bag, here, open this lid, pull this handle, it'll come straight out. Okay, let's see what's in there. Whoa, that's dirty. It's really dirty. Let's reinsert the bag. To reinsert the bag, put this in the, see this little two lines? Put this part inside of there. Put it in and push the bag back in. Close the lid and hit the dock button for your Roomba. So it'll automatically go to its docking station. It's easy out of pie. Bye. This is going to be the last part of the Sing It Empty Bin one more time to show you how loud it is. It's going to be really loud. So if you guys missed that part to hear how it's self-emptying the bin, you'll get to again. See? That's what it does. And it was boom, boom, boom. It'll just bump in the pipe. It'll make a boom in there. If you have something bumpy on the pipe. It'll like boom, 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 boom when it's on the pipe because it's hitting the pipe. So, bye. We're done with this.